Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg souffle ramen. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 packet of your favorite instant ramen, 2 fresh eggs, and about 1 tablespoon of milk. Also, have any desired toppings ready, such as some chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Make sure you have a small bowl and a whisk handy for the next step. Now, let's create that fluffy souffle. Carefully separate the 2 egg whites from their yolks, placing them into separate bowls. Whisk the egg whites vigorously until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes of continuous whisking. Then, gently fold the 2 egg yolks and about 1 tablespoon of milk into your whipped whites. This creates a light and airy mixture. It's time to cook our ramen and combine everything. Prepare your instant ramen noodles as directed on the package, usually boiling for about 3 minutes. Once the noodles are cooked, pour your fluffy egg souffle mixture directly over the hot ramen in the pot. Immediately cover the pot with a lid and let it cook for just 1 to 2 minutes. This allows the souffle to gently steam and set beautifully. Your incredible egg souffle ramen is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the entire dish into a warm serving bowl. For an extra touch of flavor and presentation, garnish your ramen with some fresh chopped green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. This comforting and elevated instant ramen dish is perfect for any time you crave something quick, delicious, and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.